Hey YouTube, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, we are making a DIY face mask. So, let's go. Okay guys, for our DIY face mask using a sock, I actually saw this on TikTok and I was like, oh my god, I have to make those. I actually made a few of them. What you want to do is just go ahead and find any of your old socks. I am using one of my plush socks that I got for Christmas, and I'm just sharing with you all here on where you need to cut. Now those of you know plush, when you cut it, that material is going to be going everywhere, so that's pretty much why you see me kind of shaking the sock. There was like a lot of extra stuff coming up off the sock, but go ahead and shake that off. So like I said, you guys pretty much see where I am cutting, and you want to follow exactly of what I am doing. Once you go ahead and cut the top and the bottom off, go ahead and cut it on the side and just kind of stretch it out. And you guys know, by using a sock, you can definitely stretch these out. You can make them wider, longer, whatever you want to do. Just stretch it out, guys. So what we're going to do is go ahead and cut 2 slits on the side, but do not cut all the way because these are going to go over your ears. So just cut it just enough just enough to where you leave a little bit of space at the top, and then we're going to go ahead and just cut those tops off, those corners, because you want to have it nicely, perfectly round. You don't want it looking all, straggly or whatever. So yeah, just cut those ends off, and it is pretty much done, guys. Just as simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on for you guys so you can see how it looks, so you can see you can definitely make a DIY face mask from a sock. Guys, it is simple as that. Okay, I was like, wow, when I saw this on TikTok, I said wow. But you guys see my little head scarf on, so I was just trying to adjust it behind my ears to make sure everything fit good, and it did. So there you go.